Welcome to my world. I'm Suzanne Ridgway. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, look for that subscribe button and smash on it. Don't forget to tap on that bell. We have a real treat for you today. We are going to the beach. I'm going to show you what we pack to bring to the beach to have a successful time. We're going up for a better part of the day. I'm going to make sure we have our sunblock on beforehand. Bring our hats if we need them. Swim goggles, sunglasses, beach towels, snacks, and drinks. And we're going to treat the kids to some ice cream while we're up at the beach. It's a tradition every year. We go to Lake Taghkanic in upstate New York, and we absolutely love it. It's very clean bathrooms, and they have a place where you can rinse off afterwards. Let's get packing. About 4 bottles of water, a 12-pack of the Kool-Aid jammers, a couple apples, a few of the snacks each, kettle cooked chips, and party mix. My husband can bring his own bag of chips. I like to have the kettle cook. I'm also going to bring a bucket and shovel for my youngest and a few other beach toys. They do not allow pool noodles there. Start by putting in a couple of apples, the bottled water, and I'll put the ice packs on top. The snacks, so they don't get soaked from the ice pack thawing throughout the day, I'm going to place in my beach bag. Let's take them out of the box. I'm going to bring in some cash for some ice cream and for the entrance fee for the beach. My husband will put his cold waters on top and then the ice pack. Beach bag I picked up at a secondhand store and I love it. Put the snacks in it. I'll grab my husband's snacks. He's going to probably bring a can of chips to on. Some napkins. I got my American flag napkins. All these snacks came from the Dollar Tree except for the apples and the juice boxes. And the water. They all came from our bulk store BJ's. Very roomy bag for packing your snacks. Got the beach towels, my hat, dry clothes. All the snacks are in here. And then I went down and got my big bag from Dollar Tree. Have our beach mat, extra sandals, and these will secure your beach mats and beach towels from blowing away. Got them at the Dollar Tree last year. The lawn and leaf bag is a great bag to bring to the beach. My husband's going to pack the cold stuff last. Got some leftover London broil and bring some garza rolls for our steak sandwich. And I packed some peanut butter and jelly as well for the kids in case they don't want that. And bring a plastic bag to put all your wet stuff in so you don't get anything contaminated that's dry. Jacqueline is going all the way to the rope in the water. We've been here for a few hours now at Lake Taghkanic. I'm going to show you a view of the mountain. A beautiful mountain view. And beautiful white beaches. Hope you enjoyed this video with how we pack to go to the beach and to go swimming for a family fun day, with how we do things and clips of the beach itself up at Lake Taghkanic. Before we go, don't forget to smash on that subscribe word and tap on that bell. When we get to 1,600, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. We're still looking for 3 more people to give out 1 5 items prize pack from the Dollar Tree valued at $6.25. If you're new, make sure you comment and say hello, become a part of our community. You need to be subscribed and a U.S. resident for any of the giveaways. If you won in the past 60 days, you have to wait out 60 days. If you don't answer me within 2 business days, you'll be disqualified. Another name will be chosen. But some of our viewers have had trouble contacting me. Make sure I see this so we can still get your prize out to you. Email me, countryboots1268yahoo.com. That link is always in my description box for your convenience if you have any questions or need help with anything.